bachelor degree in computer science from Srimad Sivanyana Balaya Swamigal Arts and Science College, Malam. After completed my bachelor degree in computer science, I am joined in QSpider, and I am first subject is SQL. SQL taken to Sangeet sir. He is very great mentor because he is supporting me. After SQL completed, then we go for manual testing. Chandrasekhar sir taken to the manual testing course, and he is very supporting me because my mind is very upset that time. Chandrasekhar sir is very benefit to me, and after completed manual testing I went to an interview in Equinity India company. I am rejected to first round also because I don't have aptitude. So next I will take an aptitude class. Once after completed aptitude class, I will try to interview outside, inside also I attended interview.